I'm Sophia and I'm 8 and I do singing and hip hop.
SUPA's been absolutely awesome. Sophia's gained so much more confidence. She sings constantly at home. She dances around the place, but the minute you ask her to dance in front of somebody, she won't do it.
I get quite inspired as well, just seeing the likes of Maine, how they work with children, and also with Eric as well. So I know that Sophia's in very good, capable hands, and they really do inspire our little girl.
The tutors that we know are Shaka and Erica, and they're just amazing. Sophia just adores them, and you know, it's just, when I see that smile on her face, it's awesome. Love it.
It's just a shame it wasn't around when we were young.
My name is Honey and I'm doing hip hop and vocals.
This is our second year with the group and performing. We've done choir, hip hop, and now doing vocals. Just love the family atmosphere. Honey just loves coming and seeing everyone, all the different modules, and learning new skills, eh Honey? What's your favourite at the moment? Out of all three, which is your favourite?
Can I pick two?
Okay, you can pick two, go, pick two.
Hip hop, vocals.
And vocals. And why do you like hip hop and vocals?
Because I like it. And I like hip hop because I like it.
You like it? I definitely recommend. It's just such a great family atmosphere, and the kids learn not only hip hop and the dance skills and the vocals, but they learn really good values, and I think that's really important thanks to the tutors and those that are organising it, eh Honey?